In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty OneDrive Recycle bin. If you've deleted files from OneDrive and you want to permanently remove them, this is a very quick process. The Recycle bin in OneDrive stores deleted files temporarily, which gives you a chance to recover something if you removed it by accident. But if you're sure you no longer need those files, emptying the Recycle bin will clear them out and help keep things organized. To begin, look over to the left-hand sidebar in OneDrive and find the Recycle bin option. Go ahead and click on Recycle Bin. This will open the area where your deleted files and folders are currently being stored. Depending on how much you've deleted recently, you may see several items listed here, or it may already be empty. Once you're inside the Recycle Bin, take a quick moment to make sure there isn't anything important you want to restore. This is especially useful if you've deleted multiple files and just want to avoid removing something permanently by mistake. After the Recycle bin is emptied, those items may no longer be as easy to recover, so it's always worth giving it a quick check before moving forward. When you're ready, look toward the top of the page and click on Empty Recycle Bin. This option is usually located above the list of deleted files. As soon as you select it, OneDrive will begin removing everything that's currently in the Recycle bin. That's it. Once the action is complete, your OneDrive Recycle bin will be empty. If you return to the Recycle bin section and don't see any files listed, that confirms the process worked successfully. A good tip here is to only empty the Recycle bin when you're completely sure you no longer need those deleted items. If you often delete files by accident, you may prefer to leave them there for a while before clearing them out. On the other hand, if you're trying to free up space or just want a cleaner file management system, emptying the Recycle bin regularly can be helpful. So again, the process is simple. Open the Recycle bin from the left sidebar, then click Empty Recycle Bin at the top. It only takes a few seconds, and it's an easy way to permanently clear out deleted files from your OneDrive account.